Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a summary and conclusion. We'll start by distinguishing between these two vital components of any written work. Understanding their unique purposes is the first step toward mastering them. A well-crafted summary provides a concise overview, while a strong conclusion leaves a lasting impression, reinforcing your message and offering a final perspective to your audience. To write an effective summary, first identify the core message and essential supporting points of the original text. Then, rephrase these ideas using your own vocabulary and sentence structures. Aim for brevity. A good summary is often about 1/10 to 1/5 the length of the source material. Remember, a summary should only present the original author's ideas, not your own interpretations or new facts. Crafting a strong conclusion involves more than just repeating yourself. Begin by rephrasing your main argument or thesis statement, giving it a fresh perspective. Next, briefly synthesize your key points, showing how they connect to support your overall message. Finally, provide a sense of closure by offering a broader implication, a thought-provoking question, or a clear call to action for your readers. While both summaries and conclusions provide closure, their functions differ significantly. A summary objectively condenses the original content, focusing on what was said. A conclusion, however, interprets the information, offering final thoughts, implications, or a broader perspective. Remember, a summary is about the source, while a conclusion is about your argument and its lasting impact. Both are essential for clear communication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.